DevOps is a transformative approach that bridges the gap between software development and IT operations, fostering a culture of collaboration and efficiency. It's a comprehensive set of practices, innovative tools, and a cultural philosophy designed to seamlessly automate and integrate processes between these critical teams. DevOps emphasizes team empowerment, robust cross-team communication, and extensive technology automation to streamline the entire software delivery lifecycle from conception to deployment. This deep integration significantly speeds up the journey of an idea, transforming it from initial development into a successful deployment within a production environment. One of the primary and most impactful benefits of adopting DevOps is achieving faster and better product delivery. It accelerates the delivery of high-performance applications and services, allowing for quicker and more frequent release of new features or products to customers. DevOps also significantly improves collaboration, fostering smoother, continuous communication and transparency between development and operations teams. This shared understanding, continuous feedback loop, and integration are absolutely crucial for successful project outcomes and team synergy. Furthermore, DevOps offers greater scalability and availability for your systems, ensuring they can efficiently handle increased demand and maintain uptime. It consistently leads to more stable operating environments, effectively reducing downtime and significantly enhancing overall system reliability. Better resource utilization is another key advantage. Optimizing higher infrastructure, tools, and personnel are effectively used. DevOps enables greater automation across the entire software development lifecycle, minimizing manual effort and significantly reducing potential errors. This approach also provides greater visibility into system outcomes, allowing teams to monitor performance and user experience in real time with detailed metrics. With enhanced visibility, teams can quickly identify and address issues, leading to faster resolution and reduced complexity in their systems. DevOps fosters greater innovation by freeing up developers to focus on creating new features and solving complex problems rather than repetitive tasks. Finally, DevOps practices contribute to significant cost reduction through automation, optimization, and highly efficient resource management. DevOps also brings enhanced agility by fostering a collaborative environment that strikes a perfect balance between speed and stability. Now, let's explore some of the key practices that define a successful and robust DevOps implementation. Continuous integration, or CI, is a cornerstone practice ensuring that code changes are validated early and often through automated builds and tests. This practice automates the integration of code changes from multiple contributors into a single software project, significantly reducing errors and speeding up development cycles. Continuous delivery, or CD, is the process of automatically preparing tested code, so it is always ready for reliable deployment to any environment. CD ensures that software can be reliably released at any time, automating infrastructure provisioning and the entire application release process. Automation is an essential practice, aiming to automate as much of the software development lifecycle as possible to enhance efficiency. This reduces human errors, significantly increases team productivity, and allows developers more time for innovation and feature development. Collaboration is the key premise behind DevOps, uniting development and operations teams into a highly functional and cohesive unit. They communicate openly, share feedback continuously, and collaborate throughout the entire development and deployment cycle, fostering shared responsibility. Continuous improvement focuses on experimentation, minimizing waste, and optimizing for speed, cost, and ease of delivery. This practice is intrinsically tied to continuous delivery, enabling teams to continuously push updates that enhance software system efficiency. Monitoring is crucial, as DevOps teams monitor the entire development lifecycle, from initial planning to ongoing operations. This allows for rapid and often automatic response to any degradation in customer experience, ensuring high service quality. Finally, customer-centric action involves using short, iterative feedback loops with customers and end users. This ensures products and services are developed precisely around user needs, with rapid collection and response to feedback through real-time monitoring and deployment. DevOps is more than just a fleeting trend. It's a fundamental and enduring shift in how software is built, delivered, and maintained. By embracing its powerful principles and practical methodologies, organizations can achieve unparalleled agility, efficiency, and innovation in their operations.